Hey, welcome to IV Communications Limited. IV Communications Limited was established in 1991, headquartered in New Delhi. IV Communications Limited is a leading public limited company with an equity base of 25 million rupees and a total investment of around 45 million rupees. The company has a trained and experienced team of engineers and management professionals who have a successful track record of running and leading large electronic companies in India. IVC is a system integrator and is involved in system engineering, design, installation, and commissioning of electrical and electronic systems, with emphasis on security electronic systems, CCTV systems, access control systems, automated sliding gates, boom barriers, fire alarm, firefighting and fire evacuation systems, building management systems, perimeter protection systems, solar energy systems, smart home automation systems incorporating lighting control and shading control, etc. The company is committed to offering a state-of-the-art electronic security equipment to Indian customers with the best price-performance ratio and with a zero deviation services. For more information, visit ivc-iclindia.com. Thanks for watching.